you enjoyed your safari?
Yes, very perfect. No.
You saw a lot?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good.
Good guides.
Good guy. Yeah. Compliment to him, eh? Yeah. Okay, you're welcome, Sound of Silence. And for introduction, this is our restaurant. So here you can get access of dinner, breakfast, drinks. We have a variety of drinks here. Also, we have free Wi-Fi here, no password. So
Wow.
I know you took a lot of pictures, so you can upload, send to the family, the family.
Rainbow. It's a good luck sign, huh?
Rainbow.
So this whole, what's amazing, Frank, is that we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, in the middle of nowhere, you can
I mean,
get
what's
each
the-
and everything.
What's the closest city? How far away?
Which one? Come again?
I don't know. How close is the closest city or town? With
Yeah, it's too far, like 500 to 600 kilometers.
500 to 600 kilometer is the closest place with electricity.
Yeah.
So how do you do the electricity here?
Yeah, we have a solar power there.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
it's a provider for all tents power. We have 11 tents in total.
Yeah.
And all we have heater for hot water and charging phone, computer,
Yeah.
cameras, and everything.
And it all works.
Yeah.
Even the internet, they have,
Even
I guess,
internet, we have free Wi-Fi here.
satellite internet.
Satellite internet, we have a Wi-Fi Brinks. Brinks internet.
Brinks internet. Okay. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, look at that sunset.
Yeah, you look the
It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. And you know, the whole day we're with the guides. It's really a great day. It's very tiring actually looking at all those animals. You know.
Okay.
It's beautiful. And then you
Some
come.
stocks in mud.
Yeah, and
3-4 times.
bumpy
four
roads,
cars,
you know, and then
yeah, we call it African massage.
yeah. Woo! Good job, Albert.
Something glowed.
Yeah,
Like,
that's a good saying. Yeah.
And that is adventure.
Yeah.
Indeed, that is adventure. Yeah.
And then we come back and we get this type of great hotel, or great lodge, I should say.
Okay.
So thank you very much.
And how do you see your room, your tent?
The room is fantastic. I was amazed when I walked inside.
Okay.
It was like a 5-star, 5-star hotel. I mean, let's be honest.
Like 5-star.
The interior.
Oh, so how many give us 10 out of 10?
A 10 out of 10. Let's see. Well, you know, you have to consider it is a lodge in the middle of nowhere.
Okay, that's good.
So I say 9 out of 10.
9 of 10. That's
Yeah.
good. We can make the process in one
Yeah,
point.
I mean, it's very. You never want to give 10 out of 10. It has.
Yeah.
Who's
of course.
perfect, right?
Yeah. No one is perfect.
No.
You can see for the power.
Yeah.
And it's kind of rain this week, so you see muds and
Yeah. Well,
everything.
exactly.
Yeah,
Which is
yeah.
good for the animals, though.
Yeah, it's good for the animals, also water and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this is our solar power. This is our solar power.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
See?
Yeah.
Batteries and everything.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And that powers everything. And you also have solar power for the.
Yeah, we have, in total we have 24 solar panels.
But also on every tent
we
for,
have
for the hot water.
Yeah, for hot water.
Yeah.
Every tent we have.
Okay.
So and above there, that's the village, staff village and guides village. So staffs and the guides, they are living there. We have mess for guides.
Yeah.
We have looms for guides, nice looms.
Great.
And everything. Power.
And- Okay. Let's.
Our kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we produce our products. You get from there.
It was delicious. I would love to look inside. Can I look
Yeah,
at take a
yeah,
peek?
You're welcome to
Okay,
look
let's see.
inside. Meet with Chef John and Chef Ezra.
Yeah, we saw with the chef. You can't.
Yes.
Shake.
Welcome.
Welcome. We
This
saw.
is our short, small kitchen for us for the Sound of Silence.
I see it. Wow.
Yes, this is kitchen. We have deep freezers and fridges for to keep some vegetables and perishable things and meat. Here is in deep freezers and here is in a fridge for to keep some vegetables and the meat.
Keep it all fresh.
Yeah, fresh one. Over there is a place of to keep some dry goods
Yeah.
to arrive from Arusha to here.
Oh wow. Fresh.
This is bread.
Fresh bread. Yeah.
Yeah, fresh one bread, sesame bread.
Wow.
Over there is a dessert for the brownies.
Oh, that looks fantastic. And it's all fresh made, of course.
It's a fresh one.
Of course.
Yeah.
And I mean,
our oven, we bake on the small oven over there. Yeah.
and what I find amazing, we're in the
Yeah.
middle of nowhere.
Yeah, in the number of.
I just heard from Frank, 500 kilometers, the
Yeah.
closest place with electricity.
Yes.
And you managed to do it here.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
You're most welcome.
And what were you saying about this other?
It's an oven now, which we just using for the baking and cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are baking our breads, scones, biscuits, and everything which is supposed to be in the bakery. We just produce over there.
Okay. How you learn such good English?
Thanks for that, because it's a small college at Arusha.
Okay, Arusha. Yeah.
Arusha, yes.
But have you ever been abroad or?
I was being in Mauritius for a couple of years.
Mauritius, yeah.
Yeah, in Club Med.
Okay, and there you learn your cooking skills further.
Yeah, you know, cooking is an hard.
Yes.
So, it's an sea.
Yeah.
You can learn everywhere, and you can get anywhere.
And tonight, chicken pesto?
Today it's a chicken pesto. For the starter, we have got a smoked ham.
Yeah.
For the soups, we have got a cream of carrot and orange soups.
Yeah.
For the main course, it's chicken pestos.
Yeah.
And for the pasta, we have spaghetti, butter spaghetti with a fresh tomato sauce. On top with a cheddar cheese.
Great.
For the dessert is a chocolate brownies.
Yeah.
And a Swiss roll, raspberry Swiss roll.
Wow.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Awesome.
Enjoy your day.
Yeah, and last night it was so delicious, so I just imagine it's just as good tonight.
Really?
Oh yeah, it was great last night, right?
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks. Cheers.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Have a good night.
And
Okay.
Billy. Tattoo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, great.
Artwork.
That's memory.
Billy. Wow. Yeah, it's very good. And what is the webpage for more information on your lodge?
Okay, the Sound of Silence. If you go to TripAdvisor, you are
okay.
For Sound of Silence SOS. You can find us and comment. Drop your comment there. How you see our camps and everything, and they will provide for you short information how you can search in internet and everything.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Frank.
Thank you. You're most welcome.
Okay.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Karibu.
Tent is very luxurious. You have a shower, toilets, plenty of room for your bags, your shower and toilets. And you walk right out into the Serengeti. And this is here in the savannah from the Serengeti. Good morning.
Yo somali ipetayo akeleze tozoteroni yoni.
Great job. Perfect egg, huh?
Deze kan je echt niet opgebruiken.
Nou, kom eens, ga eens even aan de kant.
Laat hem mooi, hè?
Hey, hou
Jij
jij nou
een hele
even op.
grote door achterin.
Heel